Mr. Pressman, here's some news. You can print if you choose, just to prove that times have changed a lot. Though it may sound strange to you, it's absolutely true. You can't believe it or not. Since making whoopee become the rage, it even got to the old bird cage, and my canary had circles under his eyes. I thought he'd never do anything wrong, no, his snake up all that long. My canary had circles under his eyes. The only pals are the yellow lark and just a tiny sparrow, but I'm afraid when he's in the park, he'll leave the straight and narrow. I rate the bird in a manner so strict, you got a feeling I'm being tricked. My canary has circles under his eyes. He hasn't any girlfriend, was certain of, but he sings what the things call love. Since my canary got circles under his eyes. Birds of a feather, the oldest of goes, but love is something nobody knows. My poor canary got circles under his eyes. Perhaps he worried about it, he always looks so solemn. I wonder if he's in a jam. I have looked up Mr. column. He never cheerfully lost his dash, but never thought he was Wall Street's crash. My canary got circles in his eyes. When I observe him, it makes me think he might be lighting a dope or drink. My canary got circles under his eyes. Maybe got secrets, sorrow, strife, maybe he's leading a double life. My canary got circles under his eyes. I can't imagine he's going wrong or something steady. Perhaps he just go through a song and some canary lady. I've had to feed him but took none. He bird cage must have been right on those. My canary got circles under his eyes. I've